Hello dear students, how are you? Hope my last video was all clear to you. Today I'll be doing the second part of the same topic, the definite article the. So let us start it without wasting any time. So in our previous video we were talking about the definite article the and its usage, isn't it? So let's carry it forward now. Now, next it is used when we use a common noun to make it abstract noun. How? Now, how a common noun can be made an abstract noun? Let me give you an example. The warrior in him was aroused. Okay. Now warrior here is a common noun. But here it is considered as an abstract noun. Warrior is a common noun. But here it is abstract noun. He is not a warrior, but the warrior in him is aroused. That means the warrior-like qualities have been aroused. Maybe the courage, the strength has been aroused. So here the common noun warrior has been changed into an abstract noun or is giving the qualities of abstract. So here also we need to use the article the. I would like to give you one more example. I read her story and I realized that the writer in her has awakened. So the writer is actually a common noun. Fine. This writer is a common noun. But it is giving the qualities of an abstract noun. That means the creativity has awakened. Not the writer, but the creativity has awakened. Next, the definite article the is also used when there is an adjective but no noun in the sentence. So, we use articles before nouns, that we know. But here, exception articles are also used before adjectives. And that is when the adjective itself is taken as noun because there is no noun. For example, we must help the needy. So the meaning is obvious. We must help the needy people, isn't it? Though the word people has not been written here, so the noun is absent, but the adjective needy is still doing the work of the noun. The word needy, the adjective is acting as a noun. Therefore, we need to use the definite article the before the adjective acting as a noun. So in such cases also we use the definite article the. The definite article the is used with proper nouns also, such as names of persons. Students, although we never use the article the, but again exception is there. When proper nouns are used for the qualities, they are not used for what they are, but for qualities. How? Let me give you an example. Khajiyar is the Switzerland of Himachal Pradesh. So, with Switzerland, You are not supposed to use the article the, but here Switzerland means beautiful, the beauty or the most beautiful place. So Khajjar is the Switzerland of Himachal Pradesh. Here Switzerland is not being used as a proper noun, but for showing the qualities of this proper noun. Fine. Let me give you a few more such examples. For example, that boy is. Suppose here is a boy and he plays very good cricket. So I'll say that boy is the Dhoni of Rampur. Clear? Now we are not supposed to use the before the name, but Dhoni here is for qualities of his game, of the way he plays. So that is why we are using Dhoni as a common noun here. When we change, when we write proper noun for its qualities, it becomes common noun. Dhoni means good cricketer here. So here we are using this proper noun as a common noun. Now one more example. Anupriya is the Madhuri Dixit of our school. Now see, Madhuri Dixit is a proper noun, but here it is used as a common noun because here Madhuri Dixit means a very good dancer. So it means Anupriya is the best dancer of our school. And sometimes we use these proper nouns as plural also. How? As I say, there are many Madhuri Dikshits in our school. So this means that there are many girls who dance really well in the school. So it doesn't mean that there are so many Madhuri Dikshits. Madhuri Dikshit is only one proper noun, but this name has been used as a common noun. So there are many very good dancers in the school. And now let me tell you something very important. When the whole session is based on just the definite article the, one word the. Now let us discuss its pronunciation also. Students, sometimes we pronounce it as the and sometimes we pronounce it as the. Why? What is the difference? Let us find out. So you are clear about the vowel sounds and consonant sounds that you did in the earlier session? Now, the point to remember is we pronounce it as the. When the word after this word, I mean after the is a consonant sound. Word beginning with a consonant sound, but it is pronounced as the when the word after it is, I mean after the is beginning with a vowel sound. For example, if I say the apple, it will not be pronounced as the, it will be pronounced as the. Why? Because it is before a vowel sound. The orange, the guava, the end. Right? So when the word the is followed by a consonant sound, then we pronounce the word as the. Fine. And when the word the is followed by the vowel sound, then we pronounce the word as the. Fine. I hope the concept is all clear to you. So take care. We'll be meeting in the next session. Till then, practice articles. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.